Yo, what to do? Dedication nga pala. So, ngayon, nag-push exercise tayo. First natin ginawa is flat dumbbell bench press. So, ito yung workout na to is obviously for the pecs or sa chest. Uh, while doing this exercise, just make sure na yung weight is kaya mo, don't ego lift, and just maintain more tension. Kung gusto mo mag-maintain ng more tension sa pecs, kahit di mo siya i-lock yung elbows mo para meron pa rin siyang, tension, then slowly pababa, then hold, then explode pataas. Maganda tong exercise na to, very effective siya for me. Yung elbows natin wag syadong naka-flare out na 90 degrees, more on 45-degree angle lang siya. Huwag nyo rin papag-untugin yung dumbbell sa taas para maiwasan natin yung mga unnecessary na movement or injuries. And just imagine na yun lang, pinupush mo yung sarili mo palayo doon sa dumbbell, okay? So next natin is incline dumbbell bench press. So utilizing incline will better target yung upper proportion ng chest natin, which is nagkukulang sa mga most of lifters. So using dumbbells will promote din na maging balance and equal yung strength ng both sides ng chest natin kung meron man muscle imbalances. Pwede rin or nakaka-prevent din siya for shoulder and chest injuries. Yan, si coach pumiga pa nga. Nagbubuhat lang ako, napigaan pa. So, maganda tong workout na to, guys. Again, for extra tension, don't lock your elbows up. Then sa baba, feel the stretch fully. Then until failure. So, yung next na ginawa natin is dumbbell press. So, sa bench, hindi ko siya ginagawang masyadong upright, 90 degrees. More on naka-bend or naka-slightly lean yung sa bench. Then, this exercise is again to train the front and the side delts or the side shoulders. So, parehas lang sa barbell, pero difference is this exercise is mas okay siya sa range of motion kasi since ang dumbbell is nabababa mo siya, mas mabababa mo siya kaysa sa barbell. So, yun yung mostly purpose na tong exercise na to. Isa to sa mga favorite shoulder exercises ko. So, ayan, palm check muna tayo, no? Maganda yung lighting eh. Piga muna dyan. Hey! So, compared sa last time ng military press, standing military press, meron tong support sa back since may bench ka nga na sinasandalan and mas okay siya for hypertrophy. Makakapag-progressive overload ka dito ng mas maganda and yung repetitions is malalaro mo for until failure kumpara sa standing military press na more on sa strength siya nakafocus. Tsaka marami ring naka-engage na muscle kumpara dito sa seated shoulder presses. So again, this is my go-to exercise if I want to train the front delt and the side delt. Pero yung front delt, di ko na siya masyadong tinitrain since natitrain siya sa mga ibang pushing movements. So, biga ulit. Yan, on fire na yung chest ko dyan, tsaka shoulders. Tapos, maganda yung workout ko nitong araw na to. So, hindi ako 100% nito. Ayan, shoutout Coach Iggy. Huwag mo akong ikis. Ayun, so next yung ginawa is dumbbell flies. So this exercise is to develop, yung mass nung chest natin, yung kapal. Then make sure na yung elbows is slightly bend. Imagine like yumayakap ka, payakap siya. Hindi siya pressing movement. You're hugging a bear. Yun yung imagine mo. Next exercise is my favorite shoulder exercise is the standing lateral raise. So, mga pointers lang dito is avoid swinging, para ma-develop or ma-target yung talaga yung outside head ng deltoid, which is yung sa middle. And then, find a weight na kaya mong ibuhatin talaga in a certain repetition na hindi ka nagsuswing back and forth para target lang talaga niya is yung delt natin, pwede ka kasing mag-cheat, pag pag standing. Pero if you want to avoid, you can always improvise. You can do seated. Pwede ka rin sumandal sa pader para hindi jerk or nagmo-move yung upper body mo, go back and forth, para mas ma-focus mo talaga siya at ma-utilize mo yung exercise na ginagawa mo for the mid delt. Kasi yan ang nagpapa-V taper, di ba? Next naman is, again, the rear deltoids. Yung rear delts na lately ko lang tinutukan ng pansin, no? Kasi hindi ko siya ganun wino-work. Pero ngayon, alam ko na kailangan ko siyang i-work. At kailangan niya rin siyang i-workout. Kung gusto nyo makakuha ng 3D na shoulders, no? Yung 3D look, yun yung nagpapa-complete niyan. So yan, ang exercise na yan, standing na bent over, dumbbell laterals or rear delts, reverse rear delt fly. Find a specific weight again, then control mo siya pataas, then control mo rin siya yung pababa, control nyo. And again, hindi nyo kailangan magmabigat sa exercise na to, in order for you to target the muscle. Next exercise, triceps push down. So, this is for the triceps natin, as of course, para sa full range of motion. Just remember to keep your elbows as close as possible sa katawan. Then, do not move with your shoulders or anything like that. Be strict with the workout. Make sure na extend mo siya pababa fully. Then, di masyadong kinokontrol. Di ka nagli-lean forward, to control or to push down the weight. Next is dips. So ito ay to develop the thickness of triceps natin, especially around the elbow. So very effective yung workout na yan. Yan lang yung ginawa ko, guys. Pump check lang tayo before we end the video kasi I feel good after this workout even though I don't feel like working out this day. Again, bro, you just gotta show up, nandiyan ka na rin naman, tol. Achieve mo na yung greatest version ng sarili mo. Pasarapin mo yung sarili mo. Huwag kang maniwala dyan sa mga cakes na dad bad gusto namin. Fuck all that shit, bro. What women say and what women like or want are both different things. Believe me, brother. You better believe me. Okay? Again, I'm here to remind you, be better every single day, bro. All the way up, bro. See you at the top.